What's up, y'all? So it's gonna be another backtesting session. Just continuing our series. It's the episode 7 of this particular session, but overall backtesting session, I think we've done well over 30 backtesting sessions, and I do know actually majority of y'all are actually benefiting from this, and you actually like backtesting sessions more. But currently, I've been focusing on psychology related as it is crucial for improvement of a person, and in order to improve in trading, you have to improve your life. So you can see here you can just really apply some sort of discretion on your trades. And basically these two trades are technically pretty discretionary. I mean here, I'm a little bit more systematic, but I didn't wait for like the actual highest time inversion of the leg. I just know this inversion of this first percentage of the 1 minute plus a 3 minute inverse should allow us to just go lower. Stop loss is discretionary as well. This is pretty tight, but I do know we shouldn't go higher than that. And here this is extremely discretionary. I just know we should keep dumping. Anyways, let's go the next day. Currently up already 100K, but if you would watch the videos, I don't really care much about my risk unless it's like the start of the month, as I should build a buffer first. And right now, I've already built a pretty big buffer, that's why I don't really care much about. I want this high right now. Mhm. If we don't go to that high, I don't really know. It's a big market here. Higher? All right. I don't like this. I'm gonna be watching this, guys. Oh, that looks like a flip to me. This, oh no, never mind. I'm just gonna watch it. All right. I think that's a long right there. Yeah, I'm gonna take this long. Am I? If the next candle doesn't flip, I'll enter. All right, it didn't flip. Okay, I'm entering there. It's just I have so much conviction that we should at least should guys should go higher here to probably like all of these highs. It's a little bit more ambitious of myself, if I may. So, but where delivering from? Delivering from this hourly gap, not the best. We're gonna get a 15 minute, but I just believe we should ramp through this. As I said, if we don't go higher, I just feel like market is broken here. So yeah, taking this trade right here. Hey bro, where are you delivering from? There's no 3 minute, so there's more likely a 2 minute gap here. We just rephrase on to. I don't see it, but I just really feel it. There's something here. I just can't prove it. Again, I'm using a few FX replays. You can see I'm using the NAS 100, like not actual minis, and I think that explains that. Wait, what is February 18th? Is this data high? All right, I'm just gonna target data high too. That's my TP. I feel like we should go higher. Let's see, guys. If we just keep running through, I'm gonna put my TP on this high right here. Yeah, I believe we should go in this high, honestly. I'll go break even at this data high for our trade here. Um, let's put my stop at this low. Alright. But if you like kind of like chop around here, I'm gonna take profit at this high. Oh, we're going. Okay, go break even there. Alright, no, perfect TP. Guys, that's why I try to remind you. Don't have a fixed bias, but have great convictions. Like, where are you leaning towards? I was like, if we don't go to this high right here, like all of this, the market is broken. That's why when we go on this hourly low, which I marked out and swept it, not the best displacement. However, this inversion is just pretty strong. I still waited for like another candle because I feel like this inversion, if like the next candle flips and let's say it's just like the wicks like up to this low, I don't really want it. I want us to create like some sort of VPR. Stop loss is just at this low. And that high would could be my TP, but I said if we were chopping around here, that's gonna be my TP. If you just flush through, which we did right here, it's gonna be my break even point. So it's a really nice trade right there. Not really looking for more trades today. I cannot wait for any more trades there. Let's look at the next way here. It's a very nice one. We have New Tuesday. Yeah, 8:30 and 10. Alright. 8:30 news? Where's 8:30 news at? Oh no, 8:30. Oh yeah, it's not an 8:30 news. I think we'll just jump to these data lows. S&P data lows? No. What? Alright. I don't really care that's long yet. You're not gonna leave. Alright. I told you, we're not gonna leave data lows like, honestly, it's just a joke. I wanted longs, but I think like we're gonna go lower. So we're gonna mark out this low, like a 15 minute. Yeah, we don't mark out all these lows. What did longs? 15% me the long I was looking for. Alright. 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 I guess I'm not having any shade there. Should we reject at this point right now? Yeah. It's also an asynchronous hourly, I guess. I'm gonna take this guy. Hourly sweep and really decent displacement to the downside. More discretionary, guys. As we already have, I think we're gonna open like a 5 minute gap here. So I need to go break even with this trade. We believe we should just flush here. If you go to this low, I'm gonna go pretty, like a pretty guy break even. If you can target this low, it would be fantastic. Lower conviction on this one, but yeah, I just feel like my bias is pretty clean. All right, I want to go break even right now, guys. It's just 5 minute. It's a pretty, as I've said, it's like a really early break even. I just want us to go higher at this point. Tell you, because if we reject there, it's a long. So yeah, looking for a long. If we reject something like that, we should go for long. So I'm gonna now target this high. This showed my bias is incorrect. So I'm gonna target this guy right here. Where he is right now. All right, all right. I'm bullish right now. 5 minute gap. People data lows and that's not conversion below. Right. Could be looking for long here. I'm gonna go break even there. I think I'm gonna switch stop that'll break even. But we'll still go higher. Alright, I'm not gonna go break even yet. I'm just gonna go de-risk. Maybe up to this level right here. Oh shit, I think I'm gonna get stopped out, guys. I think I'm gonna get stopped out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get stopped out. Yeah, I'm just gonna go break even there, guys. I feel like that's an invalidated right there. We rejected strongly out of nowhere. And this should be a break even anyways. Yeah, the right choice right there. Got stopped out. Yeah. But looking at this, 200 points, I don't think we should keep pumping, honestly. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade that. It just looks so choppy. I wanna see what happened though. Yeah. When it's like a big pump like that, it's gonna be a choppy day. I can just tell. Oh, alright. I maximized that, so look at this man over here. And let's go on the last day right here. Oh shit. We missed the first 30 minutes of market open, so let's do that. Alright. Always, bro. When I miss 30 minutes of market open, we just dump. There's no trade here. Trust me. If you're thinking there's gonna be a trade here, you're a dumbass. There's no more trade here. Just kidding. Let's see if we can have a manipulation this 15 minute gap. Oh my gosh. When I miss, bro, when I miss the market open, setups like this form, but actually I don't think I would even have an entry anyways. 5 minute, yeah, there's no entry actually here. It's like a gamble long if you long that. I think it's a data high. Oh no, we don't have data highs. Yeah. Alright. I don't like this. What is that? Third news by 10. There was what in the world? What in the world? I'm expecting this should be just a really choppy day here at this point. Like, can scalp here, but I won't do it. Is this a long? Is there an SMC? There was an SMC. Like, but we're already so overextended. I just don't think we should go higher. Like, there's also like relatively equal low here. There's no reason for you to just leave that, right? If this B bar gets suspected, I'm gonna go for a long. Yeah, I think this should be a long here. Okay. Just reject. Okay. I think there was an SMT in 15 minutes. Not, no, but there was an SMT here though. Like technically there's like an SMT out of this low right here. And I'll take that as if we already took this low. Alright. This one is a little bit more discretionary. I don't want to put like a really big stop here. That's pretty chalky condition. I just want my stops to be just under this for about that. To go lower here. It's just my bias was I was a different breed type shit. So I'm gonna take this right now. Really, 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 really need a fight stop. Alright. Uh I think yeah, just about place to go break even. Oh my gosh, I got break even. Alright. So got break even there. If there's continuation longs, I'm willing to take longs. Mm, yeah, I do believe there's a continuation long here. I just have a conviction. We're respecting the same exact gap that I entered from. Yeah, I'm gonna go and earn this one. Respected the same gap I entered in the last time. So we can target this high now. I think that's the manipulation we have here. Like, if I would look at the psychology of the market, we should just not go lower. Because this is a protected low right now. This has been holding, this PPR has held beautifully. And in my opinion, it's like, we should go to this buy sell liquidity. Like, again, look at the psychology of the market. Now this became like an LR. This is like recent continuation long. So I'm going to take this right here. But if we were dropping so much, I'm just going to be taking profit at this high right here. Let me see. Uh, okay, we're good. We're going to break even. I thought I'm going to get stopped out there. Break even. Yeah, I think we should get TP there. Yeah. TP hit exactly how I anticipated it would be. I hope you're learning a lot here on these trades. It's definitely something that, you know, you gotta tap into search market conditions. I probably wouldn't be trading it this way on, like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, or a year from now. Like, there's a completely different market condition. There's a completely different market condition for this move. Like, usually I put my stops underneath like lows like this, but recently, if a gap has been invalidated, it's completely invalidated. And I don't really want to be in that trade. So I'm looking for tighter stops, but it's not because I'm being stingy with my stops. It's because market have been presenting, all right, if I disrespect this gap already, we should go lower. So it's gonna be all for this episode, guys. We're gonna move on to our next episode. So I hope you're learning a lot from this. Peace out.